Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to adjust letter spacing in Adobe Express. This is a really useful skill when you want to fine-tune the appearance of your text and make your designs look more polished and professional. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your web browser and type in new.express.adobe.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Adobe Express account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Adobe Express dashboard where all your creative projects live. Now that you're on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Recent Files. This area displays all the projects you've been working on recently, making it easy to pick up right where you left off. Click on the project that contains the text you want to adjust. This will open your design in the editor, where you can make all the modifications you need. Once your project is open, focus on finding the specific text element you want to work with. Click directly on that text element to select it. You'll notice that when you click on it, the text becomes highlighted and a variety of editing options become available. This is where the real customization begins. With your text selected, direct your attention to the left panel of the editor. Here you'll find various formatting and styling tools. Look for an icon that shows 3 dotted lines. This is the More Options menu. Click on this icon to reveal additional text formatting features that aren't immediately visible in the standard toolbar. This menu gives you access to more advanced text controls. In the More Options menu, navigate through the available settings until you find letter spacing. This feature is specifically designed to control the horizontal space between individual characters in your text. Once you've located letter spacing, you'll see a slider control next to it. This slider is your tool for making precise adjustments to how close or far apart your letters appear. Go ahead and drag the slider left or right to adjust the letter spacing. Moving it to the right will increase the space between letters, creating a more open and airy look, while moving it to the left will tighten the spacing for a more compact appearance. You'll see the changes reflected in your text in real time as you move the slider, so you can find exactly the spacing that works best for your design. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the letter spacing in your Adobe Express project, giving your text exactly the look and feel you were aiming for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.